some Japanese research team, 3 research teams joined together, university, computers, companies, and futurists, future scientists who study about future. They got together. They put all important factors of the histories, and they made computers, computer data from 12,000 years ago. Then computers move. Ancient 12,000 years ago, that means about here. From here began data. This primitive agriculture time. Then this, after that, collective agriculture, group agriculture. Then making like cities, villages, etc. Around that time began this one. Okay. And furthermore, begin like kingdoms, like more like industry, small industry, handicraft type, home industries. Then that began the bigger industry, so forth, and becoming then more commerce developed, and going towards the automation of industries. That is late 19th century to early 20th centuries. Then (1950) on begin electronics age, communication, transportation age. Then 1980 begin bionation age. Bionization age. That is artificialization of human species, heart implantation, this and that, etc. Then, year of 2000, begin psychonation age, or psychonization age, mind control, artificially, by pills, by electronics, by vibrations, even using by satellites, sending vibration to the earth. Then begin the year of 2020, ultra psychonation age. That is erasing people's mind, basic concept, and program in what is God, what is peace, what is love, what is health. A very basic concept, program in. Cancel the memories and put in ultra psychonation phase. Then computer continue to describe future world, what's going on. Then at the time of the year of 2033, computers stop. No more data coming out. They thought, strange. So they re-examined all data from the past and rearranged and began. Then towards the 20th centuries, almost the same, begin like that. Again, year of 2033, computers stop. So they thought about this time, or either either this earth involved great war and human society collapse, or so-called human race, natural human race expire, and totally new concept, new artificial race, that is totally new things begin. This time, or on or about this time, 2030 to 2040, and that. And what happens, these scientists and futurists cannot predict, but they think anyway human history will end.